right, so our next lesson for today is reviewing our high frequency spelling words or our high frequency words. So I'm just going to kind of go through the words and just talk about them. And again, if you want to practice spelling these at home, writing them in sidewalk chalk, having your brothers write them for you, as long as we're talking about the words, you're seeing the words in print, we say the word, spell the word, say the word. Okay, and we use this a lot in class with magnetic letters and having the boys activate a switch to read the word for us and to also spell the letters. And then when we ask what the word is, they use their device to read the word to us and read the list of words. So let's go through the list. Okay, so the words are the same on both sides, just one side has a visual prompt to help with to give visual representation to the word. So the first word is buy, B-U-Y, buy. This is the word we use when we want to purchase something at the store. If we want to buy a cookie at the store, B-U-Y, buy. We give money, and in exchange for that money, we get the item that we want. More, M-O-R-E, more. I want more M&Ms. I want more bubbles. Okay, more indicates that you want something to repeat or you're not finished yet. So you want more, M-O-R-E, more. Our next word is want, W-A-N-T, want. I want to get a new pair of running shoes. I want, W-A-N-T, to go outside for a walk tonight. Okay, so want indicates a desire to do something. Farm. We've spent some time talking about farms this year. F-A-R-M, farm. Farm, we have lots of farms in the United States and even in Georgia. Apple farms where you can go and pick apples. We have one of my friends went to a strawberry farm over the weekend to pick some fresh strawberries. You can also go to a farm where we have animals like cows, chickens, roosters, pigs. A farm, F-A-R-M. There, T-H-E-I-R. It is important that we give the cats their food every day or they'll be hungry. There, T-H-E-I-R. Get is to take something that you want. Get, G-E-T, get. I hope I get a new magazine in the mail. That is something that I want, and I hope it arrives today in the mail. Get, G-E-T. And that is it. Those are the only words for our high frequency spelling words for list 2. Okay, so now I will go ahead and let me go ahead and do lesson 3, spelling list 3 as well. Okay, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Okay, I had enough rice. I want to have some more chicken. Rice. Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. I'm thinking about dinner. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. That means I'm satisfied. I don't need any more. Might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. I might take the dog on a walk before dinner. Might. I'm kind of 50-50. I haven't decided yet. Might. M-I-G-H-T. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. What kind of animal do you see when you look outside? I've had a lot of squirrels and chipmunks on my back patio today, running around, chasing each other, climbing in the trees. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. How? H-O-W. How? How are you doing? How do you feel? Okay, very common when we're asking a question. H-O-W always ends in a question. How did you do that? How did you spell that? How did we get to the store? How did my dog get out of his collar? Always end in a question mark when we start a sentence with the word how. H-O-W. When. When also has that question mark. When are we going to be able to go back to school? When are we going to be able to go swimming? When are we going to be able to get a haircut? When. W-H-E-N. When. Clothes. Okay, we've talked about clothes this year when we talked about actually the colonial days, and we talked about the different types of clothes that people wore in the colonial days versus the type of clothes that we wear now. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes are the items that we put on our body. Clothes. And it's time to start getting out of our winter clothes and our heavier clothes and getting out our spring clothes. So nice. Anyway, so that is our high frequency word list number 3. So if you can go ahead and log into your ULS, review the spelling list as indicated on your lesson plan. And if you can come up with any creative ways to write your words, say your words, spell your words, talk about your words, with your brothers, with your family, that would be great. Remember, we say the word, spell the word, say the word. And then if you want, you can even make them into flashcards and work on reaching for and pointing to the word that is named for you. Have a great day.